Hello students and my dear friends, welcome back to Mudassir Academy. Today I am back with one more question from the very important topic from 1 BMATM S201 for the CSE branch syllabus, and this question is taken from a model question paper. This question has been repeatedly asked in many previous year question papers, so I am going to solve it in the most easiest way possible. So please bring your pen, your notebook, your calculator, and do practice along with me, because the more you practice, the more you become confident. Confidence only happens when your pen moves. Okay, so please move your pen along with me. The question here is, use fourth order Runge-Kutta method to solve dy by x is equal to y minus x by y plus x y of 0 is equal to 1 at x is equal to 0.1 correct to 4 decimal places. Now Runge-Kutta method is a very simple method. Follow step by step. So first, in any problem of for solution of equations, differential equation, they'll always mention y of 0 is equal to y of x naught is equal to y naught. So first thing is what? See, they given dy by dx. First you write dy by dx is equal to y minus x over y plus x. Now in Runge-Kutta method, whatever dy by dx given, listen carefully, is taken as f of xy. That implies f of, this is the important equation now, is equal to, this equation will be followed in solving all the values. Okay, so y minus x by y plus x, this is the f of xy. Now what's given here? Y of x naught is equal to y naught has to be given in any question. So y of 0 equals 1, that means x naught is equal to 0 and y naught is equal to 1. They have given the values of x naught and y naught. Am I right? Next, we need to find h. For h, see, x is always equal to x naught plus h. Okay, so x is given as 0.1, and what is x naught? X naught is 0 is equal to, what is x naught? 0 plus h. So obviously h is equal to 0.1. So sometimes in the question they will give at h is equal to 0.1. Sometimes we need to find it. It's very simple. Use the formula x is equal to x naught plus h. That's what we are finding for y of x. We are finding for what? Y of at x is 0.1. Okay. Now the Runge-Kutta formula is Runge-Kutta. The formula for Runge-Kutta is y of x is equal to, what is x? X is x naught plus h is equal to y naught plus 1 by 6 k1 plus 2 k2. Okay, that is like Runge-Kutta, right? So it will be Kutta 1 plus 2 Kutta 2 plus 2 Kutta 3 plus Kutta 4 k4. That's all. Okay, so Kutta is not Kutta in Hindi. Okay, so y of x is equal to y naught plus 1 by 6 k1 plus 2 k2 plus 2 k3 plus k4. This is the formula for Runge-Kutta. So now we need to find all the values of k1, k2, k3, k4. So the formula for k1 is nothing but hf of x naught comma y naught, that will be 0.1 into f of 0 comma 1, and that is 0.1 into, see, f of xy is given, or that y minus x by y plus x. So only this, again I am telling you, very important thing, this only factorial change. The factor can be anything. It can be y square minus x square, y square plus x square. It can be x square minus y square. It can be x plus y. It can be log x, it can be e raised to x minus y square, whatever. So only this factor will change. Okay. So based upon this, you have to find all the functions. So see here, in this case, if you see carefully, this is x and this is y. So obviously, according to the function given, this will be bracket x 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0. Y minus x, y is 1 minus 0 plus 0. So this will be equal to, that implies k1 is equal to 0.1. So very simple. Now let's find the value of k2. Okay, so k2 will be equal to now h f of, see, memorize the formula. Runge-Kutta is this formula. To find k1, k2, k3 constants, we had this formula. So k2 is x h into f of x naught plus h over 2 comma y naught plus k1 over 2, and that will be 0.1 into f of 0 plus 0.1 by 2 comma 1 plus 0.1 by 2, and this will be, it's a simple thing, 0.1 into f of C 0.1 by 2 is 0.05, comma 1 plus 0.1 by 2 is 1.05. Now this is x and y, so this will be now again 0.1 into f of, so that is again, see, this is x, this is y, so you will put in the function here, for the function y minus x or y plus x, so y is 1.05 minus 0.05 over 1.05 plus 0.05. Okay, now I'll solve this. So I can see one more thing. Check the question, they mentioned 4 decimal places. So better solving this now, you shift to 4 decimal places, shift mode, we will fix it to 4 decimal places. Okay, so whatever calculator I have, I can fix it. Fine. Now let's solve this. So fraction 1.05 minus 0.05 over 1.05 plus 0.05 is equal to into 0.1 is equal to, same getting 0.0909. So I'm getting K2 is equal to 0.0909. I can take it as 0.091 also, but don't, we are trying to 4 decimal, right? Leave it as it is, 0.0909. So next is K3. So K3 will be equal to, now again, h f of, see the formula, x naught plus h over 2 comma y naught plus k2 over 2. What you find? See, k1 by 2, k2 now k2 by 2. This will be again 0.1 into f of, this is, see, again same thing, it is very same. So 0 plus 0.n by 2, it will be 0.05 comma, this will be 1 plus 0.0909 over 2. So this will be 0.1 into f of, so let's simplify this, f of 0.05 comma, this will be answer divided by 2 is equal to plus 1 is equal to 1.0455. Fine. So this will be again 0.1 into 1.0455. See, y minus x, y plus x, y and x minus 0.05 over 1.0455 plus 0.05. So this will be now fraction 1.0455 minus 0.05 over 1.0455 plus 0.05 is equal to into 0.1 equals 0. Again the same, so K3 is equal to 0.0909. We are getting the same value here, so I'll underline it. So K3 is also equal to 0.0909. Okay, so I found this all values here, K1, K2, K3, lastly I have to find K4. So K4 is equal to, the formula is hf of x naught plus h comma simply y naught plus K3, that's all. Okay, so that will be now 0.1 into f of x naught is 0, h is 0.1 comma 1 is 1 plus this thing, so plus 1 equals, it will be K3 is what, 0.0909 plus 1, it will be 1.0909. so that will be equal to 0.1 into 1.0909 minus 0.1 over 1.0909 plus 0.1, that is equal to, so let's solve this here. So we have 1.0909 minus 0.1 over 1.0909 plus 0.1 is equal to into 0.1 equals, we having as K4 is equal to 0.0832. Okay, so we have all the values now for K1, K2, K3, K4. Please do underline it and write correctly, you will get marks for that. Therefore, the final value of y of, we are finding for 0.1, x is equal to 0.1 is, that is 0 plus 0.1, 0.1, 0.1 is equal to y naught. What's the formula? Y naught plus, what is y naught? Where it is y naught? Oh yeah, y naught is 1 plus 1 by 6 into K1. K1 is 0.1 plus 2 into K2. What's K2? 0.0909 plus 2 into what's K3? 0.0909, same thing, plus K4 is 0.0832. So let's evaluate the answer here. So we have 0.1 plus 2 into 0.0909, bracket closed, plus again 2 into 0.0909, bracket closed, plus 0.0832 equals this much, divided by 6 equals plus 1 equals, we get y of 0.1 equals, we have the value as 1.0911. That's correct to 4 decimal places from the Runge-Kutta method. So easy, right? So we have the solution here as 1.0911 up to 4 decimal places from Runge-Kutta method. It's an easy method. So first the formula again, recall. The formula for Runge-Kutta is y0 plus 1 by 6 K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. And the formula for K1 is what? Hf of x0 y0. K2 is hf of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus K1 by 2. K3 is hf of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus K2 by 2. Lastly, K4 is hf of x0 plus h comma y0 plus K3. So find all the Kutta 1, Kutta 2, Kutta 3, Kutta 4, whatever, and put here and get the solution. Okay, only this factor they may change, but anyway this is a very important exam question. Please do practice it. So again I'm telling you, if you solve this question, so you will be able to solve similar question problems 100% guarantee. So that's all. Again, exams are nearing, so please, I hope you are following my videos. You are following my videos, again along with following, you are practicing them, okay, so that you get good marks in examination. So you can easily score 80-90% marks. Okay, so please do what I say. Again, please stay updated. Again, I'll be uploading the solution to the entire model question paper BMAT1 BMAT S201 soon. So please spread this with your friends and classmates and study groups. Okay, that's such resources available. So that's all. Study harder, smart engineering, happy engineering. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.